I'm finally going to be putting on my middle frame stiffeners on the old HeeP. Jeep already has rear stiffeners on it because the whole back end was rotted off basically, so I had to cut the back section off and make new frame rails out of 2x4 steel tubing. And don't laugh at my welds. It was my first big welding project. You can see the stiffeners there. Big beefy leaf spring brackets. And I already did some of the prep to get these on, which this was a super huge pain in the ass since I dented the crap out of these things and then had to drill holes in it, weld nuts on, and use a slide hammer to pull this out. It was so dented that it actually started pushing the floor up. You can see right here it's actually humped up a little bit. I don't know if you can see it, but it was pretty bad. So we are going to try and put these stiffeners on today, weld them on, and hopefully it comes out good. Hopefully the other side's not as bad as this side. I know. I'm pretty sure the other side wasn't as bad. No, we're gonna go with that though. We're gonna go with the other side was not as bad, because that makes me feel better. That's all that matters. Boy, I am definitely gonna have to clean up some of these welds. Yeesh. Yeesh. cleaned. So the frame stiffeners are pretty much done. Still got to do some finish welding on them, but they are almost there. You can see there's still a pretty big gap up there at the top because this unibody was twisted and bent in every possible which way you can imagine. And it was not an easy task to get it unbent. You can actually still see, I don't know if you can see that, yeah, the floor is still bent up right here. Pretty good. I got it down as far as I could, but this is gonna have to do. I ended up having to take the seats out and bash the floor down with a 4x4 piece of wood and a large hammer. Which did okay, and I think that's about the best that it's gonna get. So yeah, it's got to be stronger than it was before, right? So stiffeners are done for now. I might go back and touch them up a little bit later on, But I'll show you the finished product. Definitely not the prettiest welds, but I did what I could. Some of this metal was still kind of dirty, and there's some gaps in there that even Evel Knievel wouldn't jump. Holy hell. So even though it's not the prettiest, I don't think it's going anywhere. But you never know. We here at Toilet4x4 like to wheel them pretty hard, so hence the reason why there's so many big gaps. Yeesh. But yeah. That's all for now. I'll make another video when I do the fronts.
Game over. Oh man. Oh. Alright. What can I do now? Tetris.